So we're at the Hoover Dam right now, and just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. Yeah, just making, doing some little touch up on the eyebrows. Yeah, drink a little beer. I'm looking on at the Hoover Dam right now. That's about all I need. Just waiting for them to get off their tour. That's it. Thanks for coming. Fantasize. Mysteries are golden only. I love the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Whee! Natural thing. Hoover Dam experience. Here we are. Okay. You could share. Yeah.
You know what? We got enough to keep us probably for another couple hours.
Oh yeah, we're good. Here, cheers.
It'll come.
Cheers.
I can't even do my eyebrows. There's nothing to do. Huh?
Get close so you can see. Looking closer. It looks like you have eyebrows.
Well, I had to draw them on.